Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping outside the four walls of your home to explore a space that is quickly becoming the heart of the modern household: the outdoor dining seating area. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, an outdoor dining seating area is a purposefully designed exterior space, be it a patio, deck, or garden nook, specifically outfitted for enjoying meals and social gatherings in the open air. It is more than just a table and chairs placed on the grass. It is a seamless extension of your indoor living space that bridges the gap between the comfort of your home and the beauty of nature. Whether it's a sleek, modern balcony setup or a rustic farmhouse table under a pergola, this area is defined by its ability to host the ritual of dining while surrounded by fresh air and natural light. Having a dedicated outdoor dining seating area offers a multitude of benefits that go far beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, it significantly expands your home's usable square footage, providing an extra room for entertaining guests without the cramped feeling of being indoors. From a wellness perspective, dining outdoors encourages you to slow down and connect with the environment, which has been shown to lower stress levels and improve overall mood. There is also a unique social magic to eating under the stars or in the morning sun. Conversations tend to flow more freely, and the atmosphere feels naturally relaxed. Additionally, a well-designed outdoor dining space can substantially increase your property value, as functional and beautiful outdoor living zones are high on the priority list for modern homebuyers. To make your outdoor dining area look truly professional and inviting, you must focus on the principles of layering and zoning. Start by defining the space with a high-quality outdoor rug that anchors the furniture and adds a touch of interior-inspired coziness. Lighting is perhaps the most crucial decorative element. Avoid harsh floodlights in favor of warm string lights, lanterns, or even a weather-rated chandelier to create a soft, magical glow as the sun sets. Incorporate greenery at varying heights. Think tall potted palms for privacy and smaller succulents as table centerpieces, to blend the dining set into the landscape. Don't forget the textiles. Adding weather-resistant throw pillows and blankets in a cohesive color palette not only provides comfort but also allows you to inject your personal style and seasonal trends into the space without a permanent commitment. Choosing the best items for your outdoor dining area requires a balance of durability and design. The centerpiece should always be a sturdy, weather-resistant dining table made from materials like teak, powder-coated aluminum, or treated eucalyptus, paired with ergonomic chairs that encourage long, comfortable sits. For those who love to host, a sideboard or buffet table is an essential item for holding drinks and extra serving platters. To ensure the space is usable throughout the year, consider investing in high-quality shade solutions like a cantilever umbrella or a motorized pergola for summer days, and a sleek fire table or standing heaters for chilly autumn evenings. Finally, small touches like unbreakable melamine dinnerware and linen napkins will elevate the daily dining experience to something that feels truly special. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor dining seating area ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) The Tropical Fire Pit Banquette. This stunning setup features a heavy-duty rectangular dining table with a built-in linear gas fire pit at its center, perfect for roasting marshmallows or keeping warm during late-night talks. The bronze-finished chairs are topped with extra-thick tan cushions that offer a luxurious resort-like feel, while the surrounding lush palm trees and stone pavers create a private tropical sanctuary right in the backyard. 2. Bohemian Sands Shade Oasis. Embrace a relaxed Mediterranean vibe with this low-profile dining arrangement set on a beautiful earth-toned patio. A large architectural shade sail provides relief from the sun, while an eclectic mix of oversized outdoor poufs and soft floor cushions replaces traditional chairs to encourage a laid-back, lounge-style dining experience that feels both modern and adventurous. 3. The industrial modern pergola. This design showcases a sophisticated black aluminum pergola with adjustable louvers, allowing you to control the light and airflow perfectly. Underneath, a massive wooden farmhouse table is paired with sleek charcoal gray seating, creating a bold contrast against the rustic cobblestone flooring. It's the ultimate choice for those who love clean lines and architectural silhouettes. 4. Garden nook with vertical privacy. Perfect for smaller urban backyards, this idea uses a whitewashed built-in L-shaped bench to maximize seating without taking up too much floor space. The dark wood slat fencing provides a modern backdrop and much-needed privacy, while the black and white geometric rug and striped pillows give the entire area a chic, Scandi boho aesthetic that is incredibly Instagrammable. 5. The ultimate outdoor chef's kitchen. For the serious entertainer, this space integrates a full outdoor kitchen with a long, formal dining table under a dark wood pergola. The highlight is the warm ambience created by the hanging Edison bulbs and the intricate laser-cut privacy screens that glow from the integrated backlighting, making this the perfect spot for high-end dinner parties that last well into the night. 6. Mediterranean tiled chic. This bright and airy setup focuses on a high-top wicker dining set that sits atop a stunning blue and white patterned tile floor. The use of a raised table creates a casual bistro feel, while the minimalist white walls and tall agave plants in the background transport you straight to a seaside villa in Greece or Italy, proving that floor patterns can be the star of the show. 7. The seamless indoor-outdoor flow. This design exemplifies luxury by using massive sliding glass doors to connect the indoor living room directly to a covered outdoor dining terrace. The consistent flooring material across both zones blurs the boundaries, while the modern gray sectional and matching dining set under designer ceiling fans ensure that the outdoor space is just as comfortable and polished as the interior. 8. Rustic white brick kitchen and hearth. This cozy, traditional space features a white-painted brick outdoor fireplace and a matching prep station with a built-in grill. The long, natural wood picnic-style table and benches provide ample seating for the whole family, while the dark wood pergola rafters overhead provide a sense of enclosure and warmth, making it the perfect heart of the home for weekend BBQs. 9. Minimalist deck with concrete accents. Perfect for contemporary homes, this deck uses a sleek gray concrete bar island as a focal point, paired with minimalist black bar stools. In the background, a simple wooden dining table sits under a greenery-covered trellis, offering two distinct dining zones, one for quick snacks and drinks and another for formal, shaded meals amidst the trees. 10. The classic greenhouse veranda. This charming idea places a warm wood dining set within a light-filled veranda or sunroom-style area. Surrounded by a variety of hanging ferns, potted snakes plants, and white latticework, this space feels like a secret garden. The addition of a soft gray rug and simple white candles on the table makes this a serene and peaceful spot for a morning brunch or a quiet afternoon tea. Creating the perfect outdoor dining seating area is all about reflecting your lifestyle and making the most of your home's natural surroundings. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern industrial design or the cozy, plant-filled charm of a rustic garden, the right combination of furniture, lighting, and decor can turn any backyard into a sanctuary. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take your meals outside and start enjoying the many benefits of alfresco living. If you enjoyed these outdoor dining inspirations, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home improvement tips. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your dream backyard setup. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to transform your home into a masterpiece.